Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Apollo Group TV on iPhone. So the first step is just find the application called App Store and go into the App Store. And once you're into the App Store, what you need to do is you will be seeing this section either in the today section or games or apps. So just go to the search section, and once you're into the search section, just write down the name of the application, Apollo Group TV. And once you search this down, you will be seeing the application called Apollo Group TV. As you can see, here is the application Apollo Group TV. And let's say that you're not able to find the application in this way. So what you can do is just click on the profile section on the upper right corner, and from here click on your profile, and it will take you to another section. So wait for it until it completely loads. And after that, just make sure to enter the password of your Apple ID. And once you enter the password, click on sign in, and it will take you to another section called, like, make sure to change your region from your country to any other country. Like, this is the trick that you can use. As you can see, like, my country region is United States, so either you can change your region to United States, and let's say you're not able to see the application in United States, what you can do is just change your application to any other country, let's say Canada or like any other country. Make sure to choose the country and try again, and you'll be able to download the application. So that is a simple and easy process.